Okay, Jamie, where are we on holiday?
William Shakespeare.
He was supposed to say William Shakespeare, for who's the famous writer. Now, what's the actual place? Can you remember?
No.
Stratford Upon Avon. And who is the famous writer from Stratford Upon Avon? You said him a minute ago. Whose biscuit are you eating? Who's that face on the biscuit?
William Shakespeare.
Is it? So I'm at the Crowne Plaza in Stratford Upon Avon. So we've got a very nice William Shakespeare biscuit each. And a view down to the river. Some boat trips that go from the river. And there's a wheel. There also seems to be some seats down there. Okay. So we've got a twin room with single beds. What else do we have in the room, Jamie?
A nice cupboard.
What's on the wall?
TV.
TV.
And a nice mirror.
Yeah, you like the mirror? We've got some water and some
a
chocolates.
lovely light.
Yeah, lovely light.
And a nice wallpaper.
It's a lovely big room, isn't it?
Yeah. And
It's
some
very
beds.
clean and it smells very nice. And for some reason we've got an ET. It's actually Jamie's, but I'm not entirely sure why he shoved him in there, but there's ET. And I'll show you what else we've got. So there's a wardrobe. Lovely big safe. Perfect for people that carry laptops away on holiday with them like me. Ironing board. Skybox. Iron robes. Hairdryer. There's tea making facilities. More biscuits, don't tell Jamie. A fridge. Says you can get an in-room package. And we got a bath with an overhead shower. Plenty of towels. Toilet. And a sink with lots of toiletries. Super!